Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we are practicing an advanced backbending pose, Eka Pada Rajkapotasana, also called One-legged King Pigeon Pose in English. Let's start. Always practice a few backbending and shoulder opening poses before you try and attempt this pose. To practice Eka Pada Rajkapotasana, we will start in pigeon pose. Stretch the left leg back. Bend the right knee. Place the right knee on the right side of the mat, left leg on the left side of the mat. Distribute your weight evenly on both the sides. Push the shoulders back, stretch the chest forward and look up. Do not lean on your hands. Keep the weight on fingertips so as to shift the weight towards the spine. If you find it difficult to sit straight in this pose and you tend to fall like this, then we will use a block. Place a block under your right hip so as to shift your weight evenly on both the sides. Now roll the shoulders back, push the chest forward and look up. This is pigeon pose. Now bend the leg. Pull the left foot towards your hip so as to stretch your thigh muscle. Now take the strap. Wrap the strap around your foot like this. Hold the strap like this so that your elbow comes towards the center and your palm is facing outwards. Pull the leg towards yourself, rotate the shoulder and bring the elbow up. Your right fingertips are still on the floor. Do not pull your leg towards yourself. Instead, pull it backwards. Pull the hand backwards. Push the chest forward. When you feel ready, try and take the right arm up and hold the strap with both the hands. You can tighten the grip. You can pull the strap a little and stretch. Do not open your elbows. Keep them closed. Keep them parallel to each other. Hold the pose for a few breaths. And slowly release the right hand. Then rotate your left arm. Release the strap. And come out of the pose. And rest your forehead on the mat. For the final pose, we will start in pigeon pose. Bend the left knee. Bring your hand like this, palm facing outwards. Grab your foot. Pull your leg backwards. Then pull it towards yourself and rotate your shoulder. The elbow is pointing upwards. When you feel ready, bring the right arm up and grab the foot with both the hands. Pull your leg towards yourself. And try and touch your head to your foot. and release. Rotate the shoulder and come out of the pose. For best results, try and practice the pose at least twice a week. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.